Recent menswear spring summer pickups, let's go. Wasting no time, we're gonna get right into it. This is the Encre Atelier French blue work jacket, and this is made out of a beautiful sateen cotton, and the sheen, the luster, the feel is absolutely incredible. And the way that the fabric is dyed and is made, it's actually meant to fade down over time, much like a denim would. And they're also hand constructed and embroidered by artisanal craftsmen, and it's a beautiful lightweight spring summer jacket. And I get so many compliments on the sunflower embroidery, and I love to wear this with light wash jeans, white linen pants, sometimes a nice denim western shirt under it. This is just one of those garments that's such an easily wearable statement piece. Next up we have this ivory and purple shadow check shirt from an Indian brand called Kardo, and basically what their ethos is that each shirt, each garment is made by one single cutter, one single tailor, and one single hand finisher. And they also pride themselves in traditional Indian made woven fabrics, traditional Indian dyeing techniques to make for an ultra soft yet still kind of durably rugged feel, and also a beautiful vibrant color in the dyeing, and just truly expert craftsmanship from some of the best tailors in India. I really love this camp collar, and I love the button detail at the top button of the camp collar. I also love the curved hem of the shirt. I think that it's very flattering, and it complements the oversized look of the shirt in general. I love to wear this shirt over a nice white t-shirt and a tan or even a light wash denim pant, and it just makes for an absolutely exquisite outfit. Next up we got the Supreme Patchwork short sleeve, and I've been wearing this shirt a lot recently, and a lot of you have been asking me about it. So this is one of the pieces from the Supreme Spring Summer collection that just dropped. I actually think at the time of recording this video it's still on the site, and I kind of fucked up because I bought a large instead of a medium because I wanted an oversized look. I didn't know that they already came stock oversized, so I can pretty much only wear this shirt tucked in, which is fine because it looks good tucked in. Unfortunately, it looks silly when I wear it untucked. I really love the fringe details on the patchwork, and I love the camp collar look. I've really been feeling camp collars this year. The color vibrancy of the fabric is amazing. It's a little hard to iron, to be honest, but other than that, it's a beautiful shirt. And I just love to wear this with tan or ivory linen pants, even my green linens, or even a nice dark wash denim, and it makes for a really interesting statement piece. Next up, I got these two 316 leisure shirts, and I love these 316 leisure shirts, but I actually already did a review on these shirts a couple of videos ago, so if you want to go check that video out, the link is going to be in the description. Make sure to check it out. But following the whole 316 wave, I also recently picked up the 316 lace knit cardigan in black, and to me, I actually like to wear it as a shirt by itself, because I really love the way that it looks on the skin, just as much as how good it looks over a shirt. It's just a really beautiful piece, and I've always wanted a nice masculine lace shirt, and I feel like 316 finally gave that to me, where it's a balance between something that's actually lace and something that's still masculine. It also has a nice, beautiful feather soft drape and an exquisite hand feel because it's a blend between cotton and baby alpaca, yet it's still nice and light, and it's so breathable because of the eyelets. And like I said, I really love to wear this as a shirt, maybe under a blazer, tucked into a pair of dress pants. It just finally gives me a piece that I was looking for a very long time. Last but not least, I got the Full Count 0105 13.7 ounce one wash denim, and Full Count's 0105 is their widest fit, and this is slowly becoming one of my favorite pairs of jeans ever, and it's literally in contention with my sugarcane Hawaiis, which if you've been on this channel long enough, you know that those are my favorite pair of Selvedge denim jeans. But these just have an insane character to them. They're also an unsanforized denim. The blue is so vibrant. It feels so gorgeously lightweight. It has such a sexy pink Selvedge ID, and this is actually my first pair of denim jeans from one of the Osaka 5. The fit is amazing. I love to wear it cuffed, uncuffed, with t-shirts, with blazers, with literally anything. I wear this jean all the time. I got it about a week ago, and I'm actually already starting to see some fade lines. But if you want to see a full review on this, make sure to like the video and let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to do a full review on these jeans soon enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. I actually do have more pickups that I can show you if you want. I've never done a pickup video before, so let me know if there's anything I can improve on, because I definitely would love to do this again. And let me know if you want to see that part 2, and I'll see you guys soon.